Hello and welcome to Stuf. My name is David Waddell and today we're going to be talking about breakfast. To have breakfast, desayunar, to have breakfast. Now, I'm wearing my dressing gown, mi bata, as you can see, and my pajamas because I haven't had time to get dressed yet. I've just woken up, to wake up, despertarse. Every day I wake up. Yesterday I woke up. And recently, I've woken up, yeah? It's an irregular verb, to wake up. So I've just woken up. I haven't had time to get dressed, yeah? So now, as it's still very, very early in the morning, I need a lot of food to wake me up, yes? I need a lot of food to wake me up. And also, it's the weekend, because during the week, I normally have a very fast breakfast, I normally have a cup of coffee and some cereal. Cereales, cereal, incontable. But as today is the weekend, I have more time. I'm going to have a very full breakfast. Now, what do we have here? And of course, the breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Yeah? So, what do we have here? First of all, as I've already mentioned, I have a nice hot cup of coffee, or really, this is quite a big cup, so we would call it a mug of coffee, yes, a mug of coffee, and it's quite hot, yeah? Now, there are different types of coffee, of course. We have decaffeinated coffee, or simply decaf coffee, or you can have white coffee, black coffee, espresso, like in Spanish, really, I suppose. I prefer a white coffee, so I'm going to add a little bit of milk, okay? Because at the moment it's still a little bit dark for me. I prefer my coffee with more milk, so that should be enough. So I've just poured the milk into the coffee. I've poured the milk into the coffee. The verb to pour, P-O-U-R, to pour. It's regular, so every day I pour. Yesterday I poured, and recently I've poured. Yes, so I poured the milk into my coffee. And now I'm just going to try it a bit. I'm just going to try a little bit here, sip it. Perfect. A very nice cup of coffee to wake me up in the morning because I need caffeine. I need caffeine to wake me up. Now, what do we have here? First of all, we have some bread. Now, bread, of course, is incontable, yeah? So this is a slice of bread, yeah? It's bread incontable. This is brown bread, integral, brown bread, and you can see on the crust here, the corteza, the crust, we have seeds, yeah? Seeds. So this is brown bread. It's my favorite type of bread, and later on, I will be putting it into the toaster to make some toast, yes? So very nice. Of course, you can also have white bread. In general, this type of bread is pan de molde. We say sliced bread, yeah? So what I will be doing is I'll be putting the bread into the toaster. I will be pushing down this knob on the side, and I will wait for about 2 minutes, and then the bread will pop up, and while it's still hot, I'll be spreading some butter onto the bread, yes? Because butter is delicious on toast, yes? Of course, you could always have margarine, but I prefer the taste of butter, even though it's it's less good for you, yeah? So here's the butter. So, what else do we have? We also have some orange juice, freshly squeezed orange juice, recién exprimido, yeah? Smells delicious. Now, of course, you can always have normal orange juice, which comes from a carton. In Spanish, you say un brick, but I've chosen some freshly squeezed orange juice, so I'll be enjoying that in a minute. We also have some ham. Now, jamón York, in fact, in English, we don't say York ham, we just say cooked ham, yeah? So we have some ham. And finally, we have some jam, some apricot jam. Be careful with the difference between ham, jamón, and jam, mermelada. Mermelada, jam. Jam con J. Jamón con H. Ham. Okay? So, now I'm ready to have breakfast, I think. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some bread into the toaster and enjoy my breakfast. So thank you very much for listening. And that's it. I'm going to have breakfast. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.